Hello there, I've got a tip for you which might be quite useful. You join me at my trolley or table, whatever you want to call it, because I've got something to show you. Now I build and I modify PCs. Would love to have done a lot more, but I'm seemingly crap at making these videos. And the last time I did this, or one of the last times, I was updating my personal machine. I was making some changes to it. And every time I wanted to sort of get to the cables at the back or cables at the front, I had to bear hug the thing and turn it 180 degrees on the desk. Which, let me tell you, the next day my shoulders were in absolute agony. So, I have potentially something here that can prevent that. One moment. It's this thing, the meliconi TV turntable thing. Check it out. Yeah, the tape failed. So what this is basically what it says it is. It's a TV turntable. It's designed pretty much for you to be able to put the TV on it and tilt it in any direction that you want. If you've got kind of like limited space and you need like a specific viewing angle. It also says it supports 45 kilos, though with the old PC I think that might actually be pushing it a little bit. Apparently made in Italy. I remember I got it from Amazon, but it was like from the global shipping program thingy, so it actually probably did come from Italy. But what I'm going to use it for is putting PC cases on. So it means that I'm no longer in agony, because I'm getting old now. I'm 37 and it's no joke. So let's have a quick look. Alright, so I've had this apart once and had to put it back in, but yeah. So you've got the main body of the thing. That's the actual thing that turns. Mind you, it doesn't turn all that smoothly if I'm completely honest. Might need a bit of oiling. You also get some uppers which are for giving it a bit of extra height, but I'm not actually going to put these in, partly because I think one of them actually had damage. Yeah, there we go. One of them had damage, probably from being slapped around on the truck that delivered the thing. And also because I don't think it's going to be that stable. If I'm going to be putting it on top of this table to work on, then there's chances are it's just going to, like, if I knock it slightly, it's going to fall over the edge, so it's pretty useless. Came with some screws that we're not going to use. I want to just check it out and see how it's going to go. Now, you might not be able to see that on the other end there because it's out of shot, but trust me, it's actually definitely on there. Let's have a check. Oh yeah, that's going to be perfectly fine. That's actually, I can put it in the middle there virtually, and it's still going to miss the thing at the other side. To make it grip the table a little bit, I've just got these rubber feet I'm just going to put on. There we go. PC turntable finished. So I know what you probably want to know. How does this work with an actual PC case on it? Well, let's have a look. So here we have the Ultimate 95 machine. Pretend I'm working on it. Need to get to the other side. No worries, mate. Just turn it around. Easy to work on the other side. And that doesn't just apply to vintage machines. It could be any machine or just literally anything else that you're working on that you need to get in all angles. You just turn it around on the PC turntable. Easy. The only problem I can probably foresee is when it's turned about this way, you potentially can't get in as close, although honestly, sitting where I am right now, I don't think it's really going to be a problem. But yeah, PC turntable. A little thing made for a TV that makes your PC construction and modification needs super simple. No more hurty shoulders. Anyway, I'm out of here. This was a little short one, but I hope you liked it anyway. Bye bye for now.